everyone, welcome back to our ADI investigation. Today, your objective is to complete activities 14 through 17. So let's jump right in. Activity 14 is going to be reflecting on what you learned from the peer reviews that you got on your very own draft argument. So read over the feedback you received from people and then respond to the reflection questions. And please respond to these reflection questions sincerely. I want to make sure you're actually taking your peers' feedback into consideration throughout this investigation. Alright, now we're on activity 15, which is the discussion of the core ideas you used during this investigation. So now that you've revised your draft argument, let's take some time to discuss some of the core ideas you used during the investigation. So take a minute and re-watch this video that you watched previously that showed how populations of birds preyed on populations of the cockchafer beetles that emerge on the ground in Bristol in the United Kingdom. With the other people in your class period, which is what your group is, use what you know about interactions between organisms and variation within a population to make predictions about what happened to the characteristics of the cockchafer beetles as a result of the interactions with the predatory birds. Alright, and you need to make sure that when you are expressing your ideas, you are also explaining the reasoning behind your prediction. Alright, make sure you guys are interacting here and commenting with one another and sharing your ideas, and then we will move to activity 16. Alright, activity 16 is about discussing how to get better at planning and carrying out investigations. You've had a chance to discuss the core ideas used during this investigation, so now let's take some time to discuss what we can do better at planning and carrying out the investigation. Start a topic thread with your answer to the following question. What should we do next time to make sure that we plan and carry out the best possible investigation? Make sure to read what your peers are saying and respond to other people in your group. See if you all can agree on 2 rules that you should keep in mind next time we do something like this in class. And then lastly, we're going to go to activity 17. Now you will be creating a draft investigation report. So, in order to do this, you need to be forming answers to these following questions. What question were you trying to answer and why? What did you do to answer your question and why? And what is your argument? Okay, so you have 3 different sections. You have an introduction section, a method section, and an argument section. And you may want to refer to some of the past activities to help you write your report. So activities 4, 5, and 6 would be great for your background section. Your investigation proposal would be excellent for your method section. And then your draft argument and the feedback you got from your classmates would go in your argument section. Okay, and the way you're going to do this is you will click this draft investigation report template and save a copy of it, and you'll be working in here. You can just copy and paste your answers into the appropriate section, and once you are all done and completed with that, you'll come back here and you'll submit it by following the directions right here. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to hop on Zoom and I'll be there to help. Have a great day.